Hey, today is Monday, April 10th, 2023, and I'm so incredibly excited. Stronghold Digital Mining did really well in the stock market today, but I also want to highlight the fact that Bitcoin itself has done really, really well today. In fact, it's a little bit after 10 o'clock in the evening, around 10:20 p.m. Eastern Time, and I see that Bitcoin is currently trading at about $30,314 a coin. That is awesome. Needless to say, a big part of the reason why our stock probably went up today was the fact that Bitcoin itself, has been doing really, really well today. So we closed at 72 cents a share on volume about of 1.1 million shares. Now, what's really relevant here, and I'm going to see if I can put this chart up on the screen right now. Okay, so hopefully it's coming up on the screen. What's notable about this chart is the fact that if we're able to get above 72 cents a share and do so in a sustainable way, maybe build some consolidation right up above 72 cents a share, and then from there continue that upward, very orderly upward trajectory that we've been on now for about a month. If we're able to do that, I think based on the chart, which to be fair, I'm not much of a technical analyst, but just looking at the chart, it would seem as if though we've got clear sailing right up to roughly $1.50 a share. So, for our purposes, we're closing in on our $100 million market cap. That's awesome. Like right now, I'm just going to check the dashboard again really quickly. It looks like we, based on our closing price of 72 cents a share today, our market cap is 93 some odd million dollars. So again, from my perspective, that's still kind of like not even remotely close to what we should be trading at, but at least we're getting closer to 100 million, the $100 million market cap. Also very important is the fact that we're able to get to $1 and have a minimum bid price of $1 for at least 10 business days. And then we're going to need to do that before May 29th, 2023. And that's to fulfill a NASDAQ listing requirement. So, as I've been saying, I'm really focusing a lot on the stock price because, first of all, right, as shareholders, as co-owners of the business, the value of our shares going up in value, right, that's kind of like a big deal. All of us can agree to that. But what's also really, really important is that we get above that dollar a share threshold so that we can get beyond this whole NASDAQ listing situation and hopefully avoid, reverse stock splits. Now, if we need to go that path, so be it. Everything's in place for us to successfully do a reverse stock split, and there are certainly some arguments to be made for why that could even be beneficial. However, I'm just excited by the fact that our stock is just naturally, organically going up in price. And I think one of the main drivers for that is the fact that Bitcoin itself is really starting to wake up. I don't know that it's fair to say that crypto winter is done with. I am persuaded to believe that we may very well be closer to the beginning of the end of our crypto winter. And who knows, maybe there's even a crypto spring not too far ahead of us into the future here. Okay, today was a great day. We need to try to keep it up. I'm not going to be concerned if there's a little bit of consolidation tomorrow, although I'll tell you something. If Bitcoin continues to trade like this overnight in through tomorrow, I'd be astonished if we're not higher in price, like above 72 cents a share, maybe even above 80 cents a share, maybe above 90 cents a share. I mean, never say never, but what if we actually gap open to about $1 a share? I mean, hey, you could dream, right? Okay, let's keep it up. Stay positive, be great, and I'll see you tomorrow.